If you purchased VersaCall hardware, like touch screens, machine interface modules, wireless stack lights or audio modules, you will also have a mesh coordinator. The coordinator is the hub for communications between hardware devices and the VersaVision software. The instructions in this video will be for an Ethernet coordinator hardware installation. The following are required for installation: a standard 110-volt outlet, within 6 feet of the coordinator placement. An available Ethernet port near the coordinator placement. A static IP address or DHCP reserved address for the coordinator. You may need to contact your IT department for the IP assignment. After opening the box, you will have the following items: the coordinator, an antenna, a power cord, and an Ethernet cable. Screw the antenna onto the RF connector, located on the side of the device. Only hand tighten the antenna. Once you feel resistance, stop tightening. Over-tightening the antenna can cause internal damage. Plug in the Ethernet cable into the provided connector on the side opposite of the antenna. Plug in the barrel end of the power cord into the provided connector next to the Ethernet input. Mount the coordinator in an elevated, central location relative to the hardware placement. Attempt to place the device as high up as possible. Placing the device in a non-elevated location will greatly decrease the range. Use screws or Velcro strips to mount the device. Find an available Ethernet port. Plug in the Ethernet cable from the coordinator into the port. Plug the power cord into an available 110 outlet. If the static IP address information was provided to VersaCall prior to shipping, nothing further is needed. If the static IP address information was not provided, contact your IT department. There is a sticker on the front of the coordinator that has the MAC address printed on it. Your IT department will need this information to find the coordinator and assign it a DHCP address. When you have received a pre-configured coordinator, you can verify if the device is reachable before proceeding. Open a web browser. Type in the static IP address assigned to the coordinator. A login page will load when the connection is successful. Move on to the next video for VersaVision configuration. If the login page does not load, please contact your IT department first. Contact VersaCall support for additional information.